In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert time to decimal in Google Sheets. Before we start, here is the key idea you need to know. Google Sheets stores time as a fraction of a 24-hour day. For example, 12 p.m. is exactly halfway through the day, so it's stored as 0.5. That's why converting time to decimal hours is as simple as multiplying the time value by 24. One full day equals 24 hours. So this multiplication turns a fraction of a day into a total hour count. Let's walk through it. Imagine you have a time value like 8 hours 30 minutes in a cell, such as a 1. In another cell where you want the decimal hours to appear. Enter a formula that multiplies the time by 24. For example, if your time happens to be in B7, you would type B7 multiply by 24. If your time is in a different cell, just reference that cell instead. Press Enter, and Sheets will calculate the result. If what you see still looks like a time, such as 8:30 a.m. instead of a number like 8.5, that just means the cell is formatted as time. To fix this, select the result cell, go to the menu, choose Format, then Number, and select Number. After that change, you'll see a plain numeric value. For 8 hours 30 minutes, you should now see 8.5. Because 30 minutes is half an hour. If you prefer fewer or more decimal places, you can adjust that using the increase or decrease decimal buttons. But the underlying math remains the same. This approach works consistently because every valid time in Sheets is really a portion of a day. Multiply by 24 and you get hours. Multiply by 24 and then by 60, and you'd get minutes. Though today we're focusing on hours, make sure the original cell is a real-time value and not text. If Sheets recognizes it as time, the calculation will behave correctly. If you also need to find the number of hours between two times, you can do that with a simple variation. Take the end time minus the start time. Then multiply by 24. In a single formula, that looks like end time, start time multiply by 24. Format the result as a number the same way. And you'll see the total hours between those two times. That's it. Thanks for watching.